What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 2006 Harley Davidson Wide Glide. This beast has got Vance & Hines pipes on it. It's got these mini apes on it. It's a sweet looking bike. This is the walk around video. I'm gonna show you exactly what's wrong with this bike. Back tire is getting low. Made it a new tire, rear tire. So you probably get through the season, but probably want to get a new one soon. Rear fender's in good shape. Got a scuff right, like a scratch right there. It's got these Vance & Hines pipes. Just have some rust on the rear shocks here. It's pretty common with these bikes. It's got the 6-speed transmission. I think this is the 06 is the first year for that. Got a scratch on the tank, if you can see that. Right there. Front crash bars, does have highway pegs, got forward controls. Front fender's in good shape. We got a chip in the paint right there. A couple little chips in the paint right there. The lowers are, it's definitely been ridden. The lowers are, looks like they've been scuffed up. The front of the tank here is in good shape. These have some, that's just detail stuff that was caught in the crack there. Got a chip in the paint right there and a scratch right there, if you can see that. So this big old puffy seat on it with a sissy bar and a rider backrest. Top of the tank looks like it's in really good shape. Yeah, top of the tank's in great shape. It's got 33,000 on it. Fires up right away. Oh man, it doesn't want to find neutral. Hold up. There we go. There we go. Great running bike, guys. Like I said, 06 Wide Glide, first year of the 6-speed transmission. Guys, this is a great freaking bike. Let me know if it's something you're interested in, guys. It's gonna be, check out the test drive video on this. It'll be posted today. Not the test drive, the walk around and the this video and the pictures will be up online. Srkcycles.com. Check out the test drive video on this bike. We do have some snow here, so it might be a little bit until we get a test drive on this. But thanks for watching, guys.